simplifying expressions. Here's a few examples. A plus A plus A plus A. Let's see what this equals then. We've got 4 terms. They're all the same. They're all alike. 1, 2, 3, 4A. So I'm going to write 4A. This means 4 lots of A, or 4 times A. I don't write A4. That's a type of paper. Here's another one. B plus B plus B plus B plus C plus C. Well, I can start to look for what's alike here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 B's. So I'm going to write 4B. And I've got 2 C's. So I'm going to write plus 2C. Now that is the answer. That's all of this on the left-hand side simplified. 4B plus 2C. You can't do anything else with this in terms of simplifying it. What about this one? 5G minus G. Well, this is actually 1G here. We tend not to write the 1 in there. It's not necessary because that G on its own is 1G. 5G minus 1G makes 4G. We start with 5, we take away 1, we end up with 4. Check this one out. 2D plus 7E plus 7D plus 7E. I've got 4 terms here, but notice 2 of them have D's in, 2 of them have E's in, the same symbol. I like to use 2 different colours of this to make sure I'm doing it right. I got 2D there. That's an E. They're not like each other. I've got a plus 7D here. I'm going to highlight the symbol there as well, so it reminds me what I'm doing, adding or subtracting. Now I'm going to work out the total. 2D plus 7D. Well, that's 2 plus 7. That's 9D. The other terms, I'm going to use a different colour. I like to use a different shape as well. So I've got a plus 7E plus another 7E. So the total of that is 14E. So the left-hand side simplified becomes 9D plus 14E. I've got one more for you. 14M plus 2N minus 5M plus 11N. Let's see what we've got here. I'm going to use the colour method again. Just take the lid off. There's 14M there. That's an N. They're not the same. They're not alike. You've got M and N. They're different. I'm going to take away 5M there. And let's see what we get. Now, I get asked this quite a lot. Is it 9 or minus 9? Well, if we start at 0, we go up to 14. And then we're going to take away 5. So we're back down. And we end up at 9. Now, this is positive. It's still above 0. If you just ignore the scale, just think about whether it's above 0. It's above 0 still. So I'm going to write 9M. Not minus 9M. It's 9M. And the second thing I'm going to get is this triangle here. Plus 2N plus 11N makes plus 13N.